We have a lot of weather to talk about. First of all, the shower activity, which was fairly nice because it wasn't severe or not too heavy. I mean, we had some pretty good rain here on Navarro Street earlier today. At this hour of the night, a lot of it is decreasing in intensity. Of course, this pops with the afternoon heating, and then once the sun begins to go down, it thins out. But we've got a lot of tropical moisture out here, and that's going to continue moving onshore. And then when it collides with the frontal system, which that's tomorrow, that's when it's going to get pretty interesting. The frontal system is right about here. You can almost outline it by where the thunderstorms are. West Texas is under the gun for severe weather tonight. They could have, well, obviously thunder and lightning, but they could have some hail, big hail, strong gusty winds and possible tornadoes, but this is a severe thunderstorm watch, not so much a tornado watch. The heavy stuff now rolling up to northeast Texas, and all these counties in yellow are under the severe thunderstorm watch. When you see the orange one pop, that's when they've got a severe thunderstorm that's actually on the ground. Now here's the rainfall total that we had. There's Victoria right about there. You can see the scale here. Green is up to an inch. If it's blue, it's 2 inches. If it's purple, it's 3 inches, and then on down the line. So some areas to the north and even Edna got some probably 1 to 2 inch rain and up to 3 inch rain up here northwest up toward the Wharton area, but generally out to the Houston area or suburbs. But generally rains pretty much all over the southeast, and then of course out in the west where the big stuff is happening tonight. So what's our timeline? Here we go. Future tracker, we start at 5 o'clock today. By tonight, it starts rolling in heavy weather through Dallas. By the time we get to Thursday morning, it'll start pushing into the whole country, maybe even San Antonio, Austin, with the heaviest stuff in the Houston area. Then the frontal system rolls into our area Thursday late. I had thought it was going to come in like after midnight Thursday, but it may be even as early as sundown, so 6 p.m. The front will come through, and that's when we'll have some pretty heavy afternoon showers. And then by midnight, then it does pass our area. We'll go to a more cloudy, rainy kind of pattern, not the big stuff, not the severe stuff. And then by Friday morning, we're staying on the cloudy side, and most of that rain will have, the heavy stuff will have ended. So I'm optimistic that by evening, Friday evening, we should be in better shape. Tonight, the severe weather is up there. Tomorrow, we have no severe weather expectation, just general garden variety thunder showers around the area. So that's an improving thing. 86 is the forecast high for tomorrow. Maybe we'll say goodbye to the 90s finally. While far west Texas will be in the low to 80s and a couple of 70s there. Here's our front. This is tonight. We expect it to roll through the area, and then the interesting part is that while this may not be very, very cold, this up here is cooler air that will drift down into our area by the time we get to the weekend, and all that finally passes the area. High pressure generally means, you know, clear weather, but the frontal systems are sort of hanging up right there along the immediate coastline, so we may stay in the cloudy, damp side as we get into Sunday and Monday. So it's not, you know, going to go completely blue and beautiful. So stay tuned. We'll be certainly watching it for you here. 82 tomorrow in Port Lavaca. Boy, that sounds good. And only 84 in Cuero. Can you imagine? So the front comes in Friday, clearing up, and then better for Saturday, Sunday. It's not going to be clear and blue, but it will be in the 70s. That's your 7-day forecast. Reminding everybody, we do have the QR code. We want you to scan that and put that on your phone. Karina, back.